Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Janice. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna make chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is one of the famous Filipino authentic food. So it's basically made up of soy sauce and vinegar as a base, and some ginger, bay leaf, peppercorn. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and just keep on watching. Let's go to the video. So these are all the ingredients that we are going to use for today's chicken adobo with potato. So first we have a onion, garlic, and ginger, and we have chicken thigh. But the chicken thigh, I just cut it in the small pieces according to the adobo cut. And then we have a potatoes. Then we have soy sauce. We have vinegar, salt and pepper, and sugar. And then we have bay leaf and peppercorn. So these are all the ingredients that we need for today's vlog. And apart from this, we need to use oil. So at first, we are going to cut a ginger, just slice. And then you can chop it nicely. So just chop. So in adobo, I'm using ginger because it helps to give the flavor and the taste. And then we can slice the onions. You can chop or slice, but for me I prefer to slice the onion. And the next is you can chop the garlic. So just chop the garlic. Normally people don't add a potato in adobo, it's just plain adobo, but for me I like to add potato to give the starch and the flavor is different. So the sauce will be a little bit sticky, and then it will add more taste. Alright, so now we are done cutting. Next is we can go for cooking. So the chicken is here, as you can see, it's already cooked. It's a tight part, but I just cut it into half. So let's go for cooking. Now let's put the pot and make it hot. And then we put a little bit of oil. First is we can add the ginger. So to put the ginger, make sure it will cook properly to give the aroma and the flavor and the taste. Golden brown, then you can add your onion. So just add onion, mix it nicely. cover it while the chicken is cooking. So now, next is we are going to add the potatoes. When the chicken is half cooked, so you can add the potatoes. And then a little bit of sugar. So sugar is to give the sweetness flavor of the adobo. And then let's simmer it until the potato will be cooked. So now we will check the taste. As you can see, the potato is not yet cooked. So we need to cook it a little bit more. So you will just leave it for 5 minutes more, simmering, and then we are done. So that's it for today's vlog. So for more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on my next vlog and God bless you all. Bye!